Hi guys, if you're wondering, we're at Johanna's farm, Barangay Cambitoon, Inabanga, Bohol. This place is very cool because their adhikain is to help the local community, and you can rent the whole place for camping, bonfires, and then whatever events you have for just 10,000 pesos. Imagine that. And the food is very sulit din, and you got your falls, your river trekking. If you want to be close to nature, this is it. And then nighttime comes and you get to sleep dun sa duyan, sa hamak, or sa kubo. You can sleep by the bonfire, or you can sleep sa mga tents na naka-set up. Ay, grabe, sulit talaga. And then you see the clouds, the greeneries, the trees. Ang dami. And then I hear they plant a lot of cacaos here to help the local farmers and the community. It's just so nice. And look at the kubo dun sa parang pahingahan sa dulo. It's nice. So we'll see more of that later on our vlog.
Follow the line, Anton. Follow the line. Follow
Hi!
the line. Matibay ba to?
Matibay yan, son. Pero wag kang huminga. Kasi baby, oo. Ganyan, oh.
Pag-ina mo.
Hindi, matibay na ba talaga? Talon-talon lang tayo. Talasan! O yung bamboo kasi, yun yung pinaka-strongest material. Ano ka ba? Oo.
Alam mo kasi pinag-uusapan kahit bamboo yan. Sikat na naman tayo nito.
San?
Malayo pa ba? Gusto ko lang bumalik.
Andyan na, oy. Johanna's farm, everyone. Very nice. Wow.
Asa pa din mag-ano, buyan.
The greens. And we'll have our bonfire tonight. And this is our kubo. Johanna's farm, everyone. And
Pagulong na lang si Jason pa uwi.
oh, lots of solar ko ano.
San?
These are the tents. This is in Inabanga, Bohol. Right. And then we sell din mga bag, ipamutang namo, and then we prep for dinner. Ay grabe, sa dinner, so nice, sumptuous meals, tanan, mga sinugba, seafoods, very sulit yun. And then night time comes and you just hear the crickets, you play music while having endless conversations around the bonfire. Ay grabe ka chill, bugnaw kayong hangin. It's just so nice. You get away from the city and the stress of the city life and work and mga ganun. So, very cool vibe. And after all the inuman and the conversations, we think katulog na. So dito, I decided to sleep sa mga duyan. That's where the spa is pod. After pahilot, so relaxing good. Grabe na lugar, very sulit. And then I had to make sure dili ta malumukan, and just look at that view, right? It's zen, total zen. Barangay Cambitoon, Johanna's farm. Wow, the clouds. Cambitoon daw. Because as per the locals, kuan siya kanang duol na sa Bituon. Oo. Kaning maong lugar, makita gayud ninyo mga higala. Ang kuan unsa ka maanindot ang talan-awon, especially nga na si Pravda ganun tindog dito sa kuan violet nga tent, sa ubihon nga tent. We're in the middle of nowhere, still in Cambitoon, going river trekking. Oo, dugayan kay sila, no? Okay. Sunod ta sa guide. This is the time when you miss Jason.
Bakit?
Oh, kasi oh.
Ay, mga mauga ang yuta.
Dali ra kayo.
Kay gyud ni siya.
Ito kayo ba? Finally in the river. Ay, nako. We're finally in the river. Oo. So nawahi ang mga mahihinang nilalang. Okay. So nindot kang river, the water is so cold. Cambitoon, baby. Ha?
Kana pa dong sa falls na.
Oo.
That's a falls now.
Pero unsang lito, ingatan ang wag mahulog kasi you keep falling for the one wrong person. Mo na.
Ha? Kada mo na oh.
No, lagi na. Picture. 1 2 3 MJ. 1 2 3.
Ojan, where are you?
Babe. Picture. May picture ba na?
Nag-video ka?
Okay, nagsige na tong picture. So finally, nakaabot na kami sa falls and naligo ni and then we had to climb up the falls. I think we climbed up mga around 2 to 3 mini falls and then before we got to the fourth one. So nice, guys. Just look at this. Whew. We're 45 minutes in. Minkawas mi sa sapa to go to be on a safer trail para sa Fort Falls. And this is the struggle. Fort Falls. Wala oy, ga-document ako. Yon. Ito mga hindi mahinang mga hindi mahinang nilalang na sumama. So after naligo, we headed back mga 30 minutes walk pataas din, and then after that, of course we celebrated. Na-miss kami sa Danau, Bohol. I introduced them to tuba and they liked it very much, and then after this, na-addict na sila sa tuba ang mga taga Manila and our bosses and our teammates. Bye!